So this is the compartment for storing your water. It does have one of these automatic stopper, so when the water is full, this thing will come up and it will press against this switch and it will stop it from working so it doesn't overflow. Power socket goes in there, and I believe this is a filter, so clean the dust is quite easy. Okay, we can hear the fan running. It's a bit of background noise if you switch it on. So it pulls air into the front from here, and then it blows air out this way. So this is the air outlet, both sides.